video, we are going to be doing this super detailed spotlight smoky eye with a little pop of blue. I put a blue liner on the top. I really love this look. So if you want to learn how to get it and see the products that I'm using and techniques and all of that, then definitely keep on watching. Alright, so starting off, my eye is already prepped. I use the Jouer High Coverage Essential Concealer, I believe it is. You guys have seen me use it before. I'm just applying a cream color shadow on my brow bone. You could apply any cream shadow you want, but now going in with the Armed and Gorgeous palette from the Vault collection with Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. I'm going to apply that into my crease and just kind of work that yellow shade up towards the brow bone. Now taking that color Agent, which is like a light orange, I'm just going to work that into the crease as well on top of the Access color with a little bit of a smaller blending brush just so it's a little bit more defined. Now taking the lighter warm brown from the palette, I'm going to start working this in the inner and outer corners of the eye. Since this is a spotlight smoky eye, the darkness isn't only going to go on the outer corner like usual, it's also going to go on the inner corner. So I'm just kind of building up the intensity and slowly meeting the two colors together in the center. But I'm always going to leave it most intense in the inner and outer corner and then take whatever's left on the brush in the center. Now taking the darkest brown from the palette, I'm going to take a pencil brush and just start deepening up that outer and inner corner even more on top of the brown that we just used. Don't be nervous if you've never done a look like this before. I know it seems like there's so many steps, and there are, but I think you just need to focus on building up the color. Don't think you need it to be super intense right away. It's okay to keep going back in with color and building it up slowly so you have a little bit more control. Anyways, now moving on, I'm going to take the P. Louise base. I was using either Rumor 1 or Rumor 2. Those are the two shades I have, so it was one or the other, but they're very similar. And I'm just applying that on the center of the eye, going above the crease. Since I have hooded lids, obviously I need to bring this above the crease, otherwise it will be transferring all day. So yeah, I'm not being super precise with this. The purpose of this product is just so that my eyeshadows really have something to grip onto because I want that center of the eye to really pop. Now I'm going to do basically reverse blending. I started with the dark brown, now I'm going to the lighter brown, and then I'm going to apply the orange after that and just kind of getting it lighter towards the center of the eye. And then I am going to apply a little bit more of the P. Louise base after that, just because I did cover most of it with the matte eyeshadows. So I'm just going back in with a little bit more of it because I'm going to be applying a shimmer shade from the palette and I want it to really pop. Now I'm taking a Starlit powder by Makeup Forever. It's like a white gold. I'll list the name down below. I don't remember it off the top of my head, but I'm going to take like a concealer brush and I'm just going to focus this at the top of the center of my eye, just to add a little bit of interest in that area and your eyes kind of drawn to that area because it's slightly lighter than the other shade we used, and it's just going to make that other shade from the palette pop even more. I'm just taking a dark purple liner and lining my waterline. You could use brown, you could use blue, you could use whatever you want, but I like the way the purple looks. And I'm taking the Bling Boss palette, also from the Vault collection. I'm taking the color Rockstar and just blending that out on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take the color Agent from the Arm & Gorgeous palette, which was the orange shade that we used. And I'm just going to use this shade to blend out the purple a little bit, and then I'm also going to do the same step with the color Access. For the inner corner, I am taking a cream shadow by JCat Beauty to lay down as a base. You honestly don't have to do this. You could just go right in with the pigment if you wanted to. But for the actual color, I'm using the same Makeup Forever pigment that I use on the center of the eye. It's super beautiful and just looks so vibrant on the inner corners. I love it. And yeah, so I'm just going to apply that, and then I'm going to move on to liner. You obviously could keep the look like this. You don't have to add the blue liner, but I thought it was just different and I liked the way it looked. Hey guys, so I just wanted to pop in real quick. I know most of this video is going to be a voiceover slash, fast forwarded footage with music. However, I wanted to quickly explain to you what I'm doing with these Suva Beauty Hydra Liners. So if you've never used these before, they are like hard. It's a hard product in here. Like, it's not creamy or anything like that. It gets activated by water. I'm trying to make like a lighter blue color, and rather than getting the pot all dirty with blue, I'm going to just take some out and put it on a palette. So I just scraped a little bit of the whiteouts in Spice Panda, and then I'm also going to be taking some Tracksuit, which is the blue, and I'm just put a little bit on my palette. I'm going to activate it with some water or setting spray, and rather than getting these all dirty like with blue and white, I'm just going to do it right directly on my palette. So I just wanted to jump on here and tell you that. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I'm not gonna lie, took some time because there is a lot of detail work in it, but I absolutely love it. And yeah, if you decide to try out not only this look but any of my looks, please tag me on Instagram. I love seeing any of your recreations. A lot of you have recreated some of my Juvia's Place looks, and I just always love seeing them. So definitely tag me on Instagram. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.